Here today we have, there it is, makes it way better. Here today I have an OBS 1999 Chevy Suburban that I picked up from my local auction here in my city. It's a 99. The last time I had a 90s, whether it was a 97, it was great. But I feel like I stole this. As long as the engine and the transmission are okay, and I'm running dry, I feel like I pretty much got a good one. As far as what I paid for it. But yeah, I don't know. I just put a battery in it, and it gave me a reaction when I put the battery in. So that's good. But I can't find my 1/4 inch regular wrench, so I have to use this. But we want to see what it do, man. We want to see if it start up, if it moves. It does. Like, I haven't done anything. I haven't cleaned it out. I just got a key cut for it. That was it. Here it is. I just don't understand, like, you know, I'm not having a grill is what scares me the most. Like, not having none of the front. Like, why they take that? You know what I mean? It needs some stuff. It needs a mirror on this side. I need to check the other side because I didn't know if it needed a mirror. On that side is all right. It's definitely what I like. What the hell they were doing in this show, man? Oh, they got lights on the dash. I never even, you know what? Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm tripping out. I'm tripping out in here. Get my tool. Be right. Yeah. I can't. Oh, this is another winner. Yeah, man, I'm horrible. I gotta start, you know, doing my thing. I'm going to try to start recording all the time, man. I bought this car from the same auction. Paid close to the same goddamn price. And it's an 09 Lincoln MKS. No, I don't just talk about it, man. I be about it. And I just don't film my shit. But trying to get better with that, yeah. I just need. And I just bought that. I'm gonna take that home and tear that up. Stop. Damn, I don't have no tissue in here, nothing, no rag, nothing. Damn, I can't believe I don't have nothing. Check this oil up. Gotta be something in here. Look at that, a tissue. But I ain't gonna touch it with my bare hands. I don't know what the hell they had going on in here. This is clearly some type of light switch. Oh, they had a light bar on it. Okay. Hopefully this motherfucker run, man. I keep forgetting I need a door handle. Why? I need a door handle and a mirror on this side. And I'm forgetting what the hell I did the gloves for. Can't try to start it without. Can't try to start it without. Has oil, it's dark and dirty. Has transmission fluid, it's bright and red, which kind of scares me a little bit because maybe the trans is bad and they tried to, dump some trans fluid in it and that still ain't worked. So when the PPA came and got it, they just gave up on it. I mean, they did have speakers and shit in here. They definitely took all that out. I don't know, man. Let's see. I don't hear no fuel pump. Ooh. She started. She loud too. 205. Got good oil pressure. They ain't got no fuel. Got the parking brake light on. Light is not on. One of the tires is flat, but I just want to see if it has, forward and reverse. Alright. I got reverse. And I got forward. My man. Power steering. Oh, okay. Gotta be something. Couldn't be perfect. Perfect. It could. This shit is impossible right now. I'm trying to turn this. Oh man. I just want to move it. Door latch. I am seriously surprised that it started. Got a nice exhaust leak. Woo! That motor is smooth. That thing is running smooth, boy. It's showing us not no exhaust or something. I don't see it. Somewhere they stripped it. Woo! I say this a lot. I'm gonna keep this car. I'm gonna keep this truck. I'm gonna do some things to this. 205,000 miles on a 1999. That's amazing. I bought 2006s with 260,000 miles. That's amazing to me. Which is a lot. I believe I should be in a program of 5 to this. But man, I'm elated about this. I am. Put this back where it was. I will be back for you. I don't even want to show y'all this other one I got sitting over here in this lot. Oh, that motherfucker scared me like a motherfucker how he sitting in that truck. That was weird. But now I know I need an exhaust because they cut that motherfucker off. Let's hop in the MKS, which is being used as my fucking daily tool holder right now. But pretty soon my toolbox is going in that Suburban, and it ain't coming out. It ain't coming out that motherfucker. Like, I'll never sell it. I'll never sell it, man. I'm never selling that Suburban, okay? If I ain't selling that Suburban. I know that. I'm not selling that Suburban. I know that for sure. But yeah, this my storage lot. You know what I'm saying? Where I store my shit at. I need a lot. I really need my own lot to store cars. I would be able to buy more cars. But this is the other one. I ain't gonna get out. No, I don't get out. I don't get out. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around in this Lincoln too. Show y'all what it needs. 2009 Lincoln MKS. I ain't biased, man, when it comes to the cars. If I can flip it and make money, I'ma buy it. I have 2 doors. I have the doors already for this. I gotta get the bumper and flip the paint. I paid something really nice for this car. Not bad. Alright, this is the other one. Oh man. 07 Chrysler. Got the 5.7. I haven't started it. I do got a key for it. I gotta get it programmed. The only thing is I have doors that I could just throw on here. They're not the same color, but I could just throw the doors on here. I can like play with this myself, try to get that out as much as possible. The interior is not too bad, but it's just dirty as hell right now. But that's the thing, I have 2 doors. I have actually 4 doors. Gotta get this fender painted. Or what I'm thinking about doing with this car is, putting it back together, put the stuff on it that I have, and like plastic dipping in a crazy color. This is what scared me about this. Like, this is just unhooked. It's an AC line, I believe. It's coming out the bottom of the front bumper. Like, just didn't see that in the photos. You know what I mean? Of course I didn't see that in the photos. But yeah, 300C. Kind of contemplating what I'm gonna do. First, I gotta see if the engine and the transmission are good. See if it runs and drive, and then that'll determine a lot of what I do with the car. But back in the Lincoln MKS, I gotta start editing some of these videos that I've been making, man, and put this shit together. But that Suburban, man, that made my day, bro. Can't even lie. Come on, lady, move up. Move up, lady. Like, why are you in the middle of the intersection? There's nobody nowhere in front of her. She just stopped right there. But yeah. So the truck runs, it moves, it has no exhaust. Awesome. I am going to go home and eat. I was supposed to do the work on this car today. That was my plan, to do the control arms and hub bearings on this car today. But I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna get up early and attack it. Like, I gotta run tonight, so I'm gonna try to bang out that run, and then when I get off from doing that run, when I get off from doing that run in the morning, I'll come attack this, man, and get it all done. I got so much to do to this. I gotta bleed the brakes. The brake pedal goes to the floor intermediately. Look at the steering wheel, that's straight. It's horrible. it got so many clunks and clangs from the front end. But I don't think it's the struts. Now, I mean, could it be the strut mounts? Yeah, but the strut itself is good. But I know for a fact the control arms are horrible, and at highway speeds I can hear the hub bearing. So I'm just going to replace both of the hub bearings, both of the control arms. I'm more than likely, I know I'm going to have to replace sway bar links. So you know what? I'm going to pick those up because my kit only came with control arms and outer tie rods. So replace the control arms, replace the tie rods, replace the sway bar links if I can find them, because trying to find struts for this car it's crazy. Like, they're like $250, $300 for one quick strut. You know what I mean? So, goddamn, you're getting busy over there. But yeah, that's it. I gotta get these cars ready for sale, man. Get that other car ready so I can deliver it to who it's going to, and keep this thing going, man. I gotta get back in the truck. I gotta hit the truck heavy. I plan on hitting the truck heavy next week. You know what I mean? Make some of this money back that I done put out. Gotta hit these. Gotta hit this. Gotta hit the ground hard with this truck this week, man. I need money. You know what I mean? I need money for fuel. I need money. I need money. This shit is money. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up.